G'day guys, welcome back to the fourth day of our Deck It Yourself series. We've only got a few things to do here, so hopefully we're done by lunchtime, but we're going to go through and make the cuts along the edge board, cut in the breaker and finish off the step over there, and then we should be done. Start off with, we're going to move all these standard clips back out of the way, and then we're going to set up our track saw and then make a cut along here and then finish it off with a multi-tool.
That looks neat as.
Okay, so now we've just got our cuts to do for the breaker board. So everything's overhanging. We can see where we want our breaker board to sit in relation to the framing. So we're going to mark that out, set a string line and give us our line. So it's going to be the board width, and then we're going to go 3 mil either side. So overall, there should be 143 mil, 137 plus 3 on each end. For your breaker board to sit. Then we can slide the standard clips in, screw it off, and we're done. So now that we've done the first cut along here, this is just an offcut that we're going to use as essentially how our breaker board's going to sit. So it's going to sit like here, so we're going to be cutting in back along here. So I'm just going to go through and mark out, and then we can set up and make this cut and drop the breaker board in. Okay, so with everything cut back, we're just dropping our breaker board in, and then we'll go through, push these standard clips up, screw it off, and we're done. Okay, and there we have it. We've all finished up. We've dropped the breaker board in, we've done our final cuts, and we've finished putting the deck lights in. We're giving the deck a quick wash down, and we're done. And that's how easy it is to deck it yourself. We hope it's been helpful guiding through the process. If you've got any questions or anything with your next decking project, get in touch, we'll be happy to help.